Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Elia, Eli. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Say good morning.
Good morning.
She's Elsa today.
You are gorgeous.
It's your teacher.
I love it. Sugar, so cute.
Wait, I need to draw that. Yeah, we're gonna do that later.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm gonna get pins set up here.
My Elsa background.
I am getting it.
Can you get the pages, maybe? I will.
Oh, is it? Hi, Jude. Hi, Lyndon.
Tell her about your eye.
Oh my gosh. Jude. Hi, Rylan. What happened to Jude?
Fell down and got a black eye.
That is so cool. You look so tough.
Look.
Look how beautiful.
Yeah, Elijah has the with Elsa from Frozen.
Isn't she cute? And Jude, are you okay? Does it hurt? Are you good?
It hurts a little bit.
Ugh. How'd you fall down?
I had too much speed and I tripped.
You poor baby. Sorry. Did anybody do the frog?
Emma did it.
Mama, we forgot to do.
Emma,
I didn't do the frog.
where is your frog that you drew?
Do the frog.
I did not.
Hi, Emma. You guys just send it to me. Oh, I see it on the wall. How cute.
Yeah, she put it on the wall. Do
I
you see
love it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's talk about today.
A frog.
Hi, Dudley.
Can you see the screen? Or is it too bad?
Pen to pen.
You want me to put it up?
What happens if you put that? Dang it. Why does it do that?
No, our camera doesn't work very well.
I'm blurry. Maybe I made that a bigger screen.
All right, let's see. We've got 12 people so far. Let's give it a little more time. Why don't we do the flag salute? You guys ready? Right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge
Allegiance
to
to
the
the
flag
flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty.
and justice.
Okay. On Thursday, we started our frog research paper. So we'll finish that today. And then
We need a frog research.
we're going to do our frog report this morning. We're going to finish it. Did you start it, Jib? Were you here on Thursday?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay, we're just going to continue. Remember, this is what we wrote so far. We wrote this part so far. Can you see? And then we're just going to add a couple more sentences. And then this week, we're going to learn about matter. Ugh, I can really see myself. Yikes. Okay, matter everywhere. So matter is everything you see, drink, feel, taste. It's everything, but it has a different consistency. Like when you touch yourself, you're a solid, right? Are you solid? When you drink water, do you think that's solid when you drink water? Or would you consider, do you think it's a liquid?
Let me ask
Who thinks it's a liquid?
Oh.
Are we awake today? Oh, we have 13 people now. Hold on one second.
This is back when my mom's trying to talk to
Stop it,
you.
stop.
Okay, kiddos.
That's your mom.
Did you love that?
Anybody like to read?
My mom is trying to talk to you.
Oh, go. Yes.
Sorry. I was just wondering, what papers does Linda need today? Because I need to print them out.
So the only thing, we're going to do this for math. So we're going to need some coins if you have any.
We do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we are going to read our matter poem.
Okay.
And we're gonna do did you know?
Did you send that, Miss Ackerman? I don't have that.
Yes,
Yeah, I
I
don't-
did.
Huh.
Is this the cloud stuff that you sent?
I sent this yesterday morning.
I printed out the cloud, but I didn't see
Cloud? Huh?
all the rain and clouds. You send them?
No, I didn't put out anything about
It's in
cloud.
there.
I sent things about the water cycle
Water, yes, the water cycle. I
and
printed that.
matter. And
It was like 29 pages to print out, and it's all
Yep.
there.
because it was because it's for the
It's all
next
there.
So we're going to read this. We're going to read our new poem. We're going to do just the simple definitions of the different kinds of matter. And we're going to use coins to answer these questions. And of course, I have the coins, so you guys can just, if you don't have the coins, it's fine. But we're going to start with we got to finish our frog report. So, and Jude's mom, I know you follow the Right Start really well. I'm kind of combining lessons because when we're there physically at school, we have more time to do it throughout the day. But basically what I'm doing is we're combining coins, but we're combining them using, I'm using these equations, adding 10, and we're gonna, use dimes. And so I'm just gonna combine some lessons. And that's kind of what Right Start is. There's another thing that you guys might be interested in. It's called Mountain Math, and it's since you're homeschooling. If you're homeschooling, it is every concept you'll need for that year. You have like a bulletin board, so you can hit every concept for like first grade every day. It's really cool. And so you'll never not get one. I really like it. It's called Mountain Math.
Okay, I'll look it up. Thank you.
And I think the only difference with Right Start is they kind of do that, but they combine, like I'm going to teach them more equations, but using fractions too. And you'll see that too. But they just like to use everything and combine it. So you can tell like how math builds together kind of thing. Right, so let's finish our frog writing. So I'm going to erase this. So remember, they started as eggs. They're oviparous animals, right? Started as eggs. And then they were born, they hatched, and they were tadpoles, right? And then the tadpoles got their hind legs and lungs and were able to go on land. When they're able to go on land, what are they now? Who knows what they're called? What are frogs once they have their lungs and their hind legs, and then they get their front legs, and now they can go on land? What are they? Addison?
Amphibians.
They're amphibians and they're froglets, right? Right? Okay, so from tadpole, they got their hind legs, right? And then they grow their front legs and their tail grows shorter, right? Right? And then they're able to go on land because they're amphibious now. So let's think, what should we write? What should we write about the next, this stage? What's a good sentence? Does anybody want to raise their hand and give me an idea? Anybody? Do I have to write it? Okay, so next, they get their front legs and their tail shortens, right? Right? Yes.
Mrs. Ackerman,
Yes.
my mom is still pointing them.
No worries. We're not even there yet. It's fine. We're writing right now. We've got a lot to do. So frogs grow front legs. And this is this page in our book, right? Frogs grow front legs and their, you guys don't know this word very well, but it's the air, tail, grows, becomes, sorry, let's not use the word grows twice. Let's say the tail, let's just say the tail shortens. So short, or like in fork, short ends. Okay, everybody eyes on me. I'm gonna read it to you, okay? Frogs grow front legs and their tail shortens. And at that point, they are a froglet. So that'll be our next sentence. Let me see this. Somebody have a question? Yes, Eli?
You're going,
Oh. Hold on. Say it again. Eli, go ahead. Sweet.
you're going too fast.
Oh, no. Okay, guys, listen. Listen. The purple is what you're working on. The next sentence is, they are now froglets. That's why I did it in a different color, right? Once their tail is shorter and they have all 4 legs, now they are froglets. I just wrote the 2 sentences so that if somebody is going faster, they can move on, okay? But take your time. Thanks for telling me, sweetheart. Sandy, didn't we have big coin pictures at school? Don't
Yes.
we have them? I thought so.
Yes.
I thought so.
We have the plastic big coins and I made laminated ones.
Wouldn't that be nice to have them right now?
I know. Yes. And we had the coin game that I had where I had them. It was, if it said $1.56, they were able to make coins to make the amount. It was such a fun center. Yeah, I know. I know.
I'm sending your parents all kinds of fun games though you can play at home. Sandy, that really bites.
I know.
My pennies go. Hi, babies. Here's some food. Come here. Eat. Eat some food. How are we doing?
I'm all done.
Who is? A3EE, I see it. Good girl. We only have one more sentence, and then we don't have a lot of writing at all today. Almost done.
They taste good. So all that after coming out. Really, what you got going?
Emma wants to show her frog, Miss Ackerman.
Pardon?
Emma's frog.
Oh,
Wants to-
oh, so cute. Didn't they turn out so cute? I
Yeah,
love 'em.
and she got a leaf. So this is a leaf for her frog.
Oh, cute. A lily pad.
Yep.
Ooh, I love it.
My frog is jumping.
Who's this?
Mine.
Who's talking to me? I can't see. Elsa, where are you? Oh,
Mom, I think you need to take the background.
hi, Lils. Okay, you guys got to stay muted and raise your hand, okay? So Lily, go ahead, sweetie. Wait, say it
My
again.
birthday's tomorrow, and I know how to ride my bike without training wheels.
I am so excited for you. When all this is all over, we should all take a big bike ride and go to the beach and hang out. Sound good?
Yeah.
Yes. I'll see all you toothless people. You keep on losing teeth on me. Okay, just stop for 1 second and listen to Mrs. Ackerman, okay? So, frogs grow front legs and their tail shortens. They are now froglets. Okay, what does that mean? When they finally lose their tail and they can live on land and in water, they're a frog. They're all done, right? So I'm just gonna write the sentence. You don't have to. It's your last sentence. That's all I'm telling you. Finally, they can live on land and in water. I also purchased last night. Do you guys know what boom cards are, moms? Boom cards. On Teachers Pay Teachers, there are boom cards so like they're flashcards that you can do, they can just do on their iPad. And they had sight words. And I think they're good. I think the sight words are good. I like them. And they're free. They're free right now.
I'm sorry, Miss Ackerman. I was getting her some food. What did you say? What kind of cards?
They're called boom cards. And so basically what they are is on your iPad or your computer, you can just, you can look at flashcards, you know, on the computer, and they have sight words for kindergarten and for first grade, and they're free right now.
Okay. So my sister-in-law gave me this that I'm doing with Emma, and they're kind of also flashcards with.
Oh yeah, same thing. It just
Yeah.
on the iPad, so they can do it anywhere, you know.
Yeah, so I take this one with me and like we go sit in the balcony and we'll read this with Emma.
Good. Yeah,
And I have this that we do.
the Bob books. Yeah. Giving her a lot of pictures and language is probably what's going to help her the most, because she knows she knows her phonics. So yeah.
The only what I noticed that she have a hard time reading a word if like had. So she having a hard time reading D at the end. If it's just my, M-Y, she can read it my or they. But anything has like.
Well, how does she say it? Because a lot of times, yeah, it's kind of like when they're developing, all kids, I mean, there's all those woolly rabbit kids, you know, like they can't say their R's or their S's or whatever. So that's how they read and spell. So it's just that as their language develops, so does everything else.
Okay, so it's normal that she does.
It's totally normal.
Okay.
I would like them to always not have their R's because it's so darn cute, but but the final sound for kids is always it's the last thing to develop.
Okay. Okay.
They have a hard time with that.
Okay, then she's
So like
normal then.
Say like.
Because I was maybe mine. She's not normal. She can't read the last sound. Like, what's going on?
I mean, that's just you would want to do like you would have her instead of doing add, you would do had. So you're teaching her to group it that way. Okay, we got to mute you. Josiah, how's the writing coming? Josiah? Josiah, unmute yourself and talk to me, please. How's the writing?
How am I going to finish all this? So
Is it too much? Is it too much? Okay, guys, remember what Mrs. Ackerman says. If it's too much, I video this so you can do it at home on your own time. I'll even send a picture of it to your parents right now, okay? But you should be able to write this, bud.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sending it right now, Josiah, so mommy will have it in her email, okay? Okay, kiddos, I sent it if you guys want to finish it later. There is one last sentence I'm going to send, okay? There's one last sentence. When all of this is said and done, they're not eggs anymore. Is everyone listening? They're not eggs anymore. They're not tadpoles. They have their front and their hind legs. No more tail. Lungs, not gills, or lungs and gills. They can live on land and in water. So now they are a frog. So finally, they are frogs, right? You guys be thinking, you are so smart. I know that you guys could look for more amphibious animals, more oviparous animals, right? Use those words and look for other animals that are that are creatures like that, okay? All right, so the last sentence, I already took a picture and I sent it to your parents, okay? Addison, are you still finishing? You want to finish? Okay, Sugar, go ahead. Finn, I sent this. You guys don't need to finish it right now, okay? I'm sending it right now.
They're all clipped together.
Okay, kiddos. I just sent the final one to your parents so you can finish it at home, but I want to talk to you about this. This is just their stages of life. Now, remember how we are born with everything already, right? And we get bigger and older, right? Animals that come from eggs that are oviparous, right? And they change. What is that process called? What is all this called? All this change when they develop into what they actually are going to be. Just like butterflies, caterpillars and butterflies. What is that process? Who remembers? Who remembers? It's a long word. Starts with an M. Yes? Gracie, what is it?
Metamorphosize.
Metamorphosize. Good job, kiss the brain. Okay, so it's always fun to think about or to like search for animals that metamorphosize, that are oviparous, that are amphibians, right? The next animals that we're gonna learn about are mammals, because we're mammals. And Ms. Deckerman thinks that elephants would be fun to look at next, right? That'd be fun? Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Do you guys wanna finish now or can you do this later?
I can do that later.
Okay. Sorry, if you guys were in class, we'd have some breaks. What?
I said we can finish later too. That's fine.
Okay, good. I don't want any pressure. You guys enjoy it. But you should be reading it after you write it, okay? And make sure your frog, make sure you draw your frog on it. Make sure your frog is on your report, okay?
Yeah.
And you should be able to, like when you're done today, you can add things about frogs. You can start writing more sentences and facts about them. Write a couple sentences a day that you learned. Okay. All right. You guys still working?
Frog poem, Mama.
We're ready.
What do you want?
Frog poem.
Oh,
Poem. I need a poem.
I don't know what a frog poem is.
You guys want to? I have it. So if you don't have it, I have it.
Oh no.
Oh.
I have it if you don't. So what I'd like this time around is we can read it together, and then I was wondering if you guys could read some of it to me. Is that possible? Yes? Okay. Ready? You guys can finish writing later, okay? Ready? I'm a frog.
I'm a frog.
Frog, small and brown.
small brown.
Flying on
Small and brown.
Hibernate all winter long.
Hibernate on winter long.
You'll find me sitting near a pond.
You'll find me sitting near a pond.
I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit.
I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit.
Good job, Addison. In my life cycle, we start as eggs.
In my life cycle, we start as eggs.
I'm all grown up when I get long legs.
I'm all grown up when I get long legs.
With my long sticky tongue, I catch my bugs
My long tongue, I catch my bugs.
and eat them whole with a little shrug. I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit.
Okay. I'm an amphibian, if you please.
I'm an amphibian, if you please.
I turn the color of the trees.
I turn the color of the tree.
And that's camouflage, right, Jude? I'm cold-blooded with smooth, wet skin.
I'm cold, wet, with smooth, wet skin.
Oviparous, that's the group I'm in.
Oviparous, that's the group I'm in.
I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. I'm a frog.
I'm a frog.
Okay, your turn to read to me.
Okay, can you put these in order?
Who would like to read the first sentence? Anybody? Finn, read the first sentence for me.
I'm a frog, small and brown,
Keep on going.
laying on the cold, cold ground.
Kiss your brain. Good, we stopped at the period. Okay, next one, hibernate. Who wants to read starting with hibernate? Elia Grace, go babe.
I hibernate all winter long.
Keep on going.
You'll find me sitting near a pond.
Okay, now everybody, I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. Okay, we're right here in my life cycle. Gracie, go.
In my life cycle.
Go, Gracie.
In my life cycle, we start as
Oh, hold
eggs.
on, hold on, hold on. I gotta mute everybody. Hold on. You go. In my,
life cycle, we start as eggs.
keep on going. I'm all grown up.
I'm all grown up when I get long legs.
Kiss your brain, good girl. Okay. Let's see, Lily, do you want to try the next one with my long sticky tongue? Okay, go.
With my long sticky tongue, I catch my bugs.
And keep on going.
Right
here.
And
Eat.
Right here, honey.
and
It's okay.
You don't want to read the rest?
Just tell her you don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. And eat them.
And eat them.
Whole. Right? With the little shrug. I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. I'm a frog, ribbit, ribbit. Okay, next one. We're right here. Go Eli King Shaw.
Ready?
I'm an amphibian, if you please.
Keep on going.
I turn the color of the tree.
Kiss your brain. Good job. Camouflage. Okay, next sentence is I'm cold. Who wants to start? Who's next? Starting with, go ahead, Jude.
I'm cold, blooded,
Mhm. With
Smooth.
Smooth. What?
What? Skin.
Good. I'm cold-blooded with smooth, wet skin. Okay, next sentence.
And
Oh, keep on going. Good.
That's the group I'm in.
Kiss your brain, cutie, cutie. Kiss your brain, cutie, cutie. Good job, you guys. Kiss your brain. Awesome. Okay, we took up a lot of time, so no more writing. We're going to start matter tomorrow, so let's do our math, okay? You guys were such good readers. Don't you feel so proud of yourselves? It's amazing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our sum. So this is our answer, right? And this side is we're gonna add 10. Now, this is what I wanna ask. This is our answer. We have one of our parts. We're looking for our other part. So we have our whole here. We're starting with our whole, and then we're gonna balance it. We have one part. Now, here's the exciting part. Are you excited? I need to know, what coin am I going to use for this part? This part right here. Lily, do you know? Go ahead.
Dime.
A dime, kiss your brain, girl. Yes. So, Miss Ackerman needs her tape. 1 second. So, we are going to use a dime to start all of these, okay? All of these are 1 dime. Can you see my dime, or is he still too little? Is he too little? Can you see it?
No.
What?
A little hard to see.
It is. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit.
Darn. Okay, well, it's a dime. 1 dime. Okay. And what is a dime worth?
Worth
What is it worth?
5 cents.
No. Okay. It is worth a dime, right?
10.
Everybody with your hands, show me. 10 cents. So if we had our abacus, it's 110. That's a dime. 110. Okay? So our first problem that we're going to solve is 15, or 110 and 5 ones, right? 15 equals 1 dime, right? Plus, what are we missing? What coin would come next? If we have 110, what would we need to make it 15? 110 and 5 ones. Finn, what would it be, babe?
1.
It's this coin. What's this coin?
A dime.
No. Who knows what equals 5? Which coin equals 5 to make it 15 cents? 110 and 5 ones. Jude, what is it, baby?
Nickel.
A nickel. You are correct, sir. Plus a nickel. That equals the next one. So 10 plus 5 equals 15, right? Or 1 dime and 1 nickel equal 15 cents. Okay? All right. Next one. 110 and 9 ones, 19, right? Okay. What are we going to start with? Which coin? Did you guys write 15 in your box? I'm so sorry. Did I move on? I'm sorry, 5. So we need 5 more. Did you guys write the 5 as the other addend? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Next problem, we're going to start with 19. 110, 9 ones. We have 1 dime. Okay. Now, if we have 1 dime and a nickel, we're still going to have a nickel. Okay. Right? Are we still going to have, if we have 15, right? That's 15. How many more do we need? 15, let's count to 19. So here's 15. See 15? Let's count, see how much more we need. 16, 17, 18, 19. How many more do we need to make it 19? How many more? Raise your hand. Addison? 4 more. What coins can we use to make 4 more? What would we need? Elia Grace, what would we need?
Pennies?
Yes, 4 pennies. Good girl. Yes. So 1, oops, next. We would need 4 pennies. Oops. Okay, so 1 dime, so 10, say it with me, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the missing number, what number is missing? What's the missing addend? If you started with a dime, we added 5. Now we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What is the second number that we're missing? What is the other addend? Yes, Eli Casares.
20?
How much is down here? We had the 10, right? How many more do we need? A 5 and a 4.
1.
Yes, Finn, what is that? Go ahead, Ray. You can.
9?
9, good. 1 nickel and 4 pennies is 9 cents. Kiss your brain, good job. So we are missing 9. Plus 9, okay? So 19 equals 10 plus 9. Do you guys see a pattern? What's happening to the zeros? What are they getting replaced with? Are they getting replaced with the ones, the other addend? Right? Okay, next one. 13. Oh, you need to write 9 there. Don't forget. 9 goes right there. Okay, next one is 13. 10 plus. Okay, if I had my dime, 10 cents, what coins would I need to make 3 more? 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. What would I need? What are the only coins I could use?
3.
What are the only coins I can use, Emma?
3.
Or what are the only coins?
What are the only coins I can use? 3 cents.
pennies.
3 pennies. Good job. 3 more pennies. So 10 cents and 3 pennies equals 13. So we need 3 more. And you can see that on your abacus. If you have 1 dime, 10, 11, 12, 13. A 10 and a 3 equal your 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. Okay, next one. One dime, 10 cents. To make 11, 10, 11. How much more do we need? How much more is this? Rylan, how much more is this? If you have 10 cents and you need 11 cents, 10, 11, how much did I add?
1.
1. What is the only coin I can use to get that?
Penny.
Only 1 penny. That's all we need. So 10 cents, 1 10, and 1 1, right? That's it. So to make 11, we only need 1 more. 10 and 1 equal 11. So that's what you're going to write. Right? Okay, we're on 17. 1 10 and 7 ones, right? Equals 1 dime plus, so if we have 1 dime, how many more do we need? Let's count up. Ready? 10, 15, 16, 17. So how much more do we need to get 17? A 10 and a what?
7.
A 7. Good job. Now, you should be able to clearly see which coins that will be. What is 5?
What is 5?
What coin's that going to be?
What point is that going to be 5?
Does anybody know? What's that one coin going to be?
What is the name of this coin?
Penny.
That's penny. That's a penny.
Raise your hand.
Nickel.
1 nickel and how many pennies?
2.
2 pennies makes 7. Good job. So you would need to make 17, 1 dime, 10, 15, and 16, 17. Right? A 10 and 7. 7 ones. So the missing number is 7. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Or a dime, nickel, and 2 pennies. Okay. 16 is 110. 16 is 110, right? 110. 15, 16. How many more do we need to make 16? Who knows? Yes, Jude, what do we need?
6.
6 cents, right? 6 cents. So we need what coin? 10, right? We need 10, 15, 16. What is that? Elia, do you know? What coins are we missing? We have our dime up here, and then what's that?
Penny.
1 nickel and 1 penny. Good job. So now to make 17 cents or 16 cents, we have 1 dime, 1 nickel, right? 10, 15, 16. Good job. Okay, so the missing number is 6. We have missing 6, which is a 5 and a 1, right? Nickel and a penny. Okay, next one. Am I going too fast or are you guys going? Oh. Is everything okay? Okay, next one is 14 equals 110 plus, what is the missing number? If you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, what do we need? What do we need to make 14? Finn?
4.
4. 4. Okay. Can't use a nickel because that's too much. That's 5. So what coins do we need? To make 14, what would we need? A dime and how many? What else? You only need 4 more ones. So what are the only ones we have to use? Finn?
Pennies.
Pennies. So no nickel, that would be too much. 14 would be 1 dime and 4 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? So we're missing 4. 1, 10, and 4 ones equals 14. Okay. Next one is 18. 18 is 110 plus, what's the missing number? For 18, it's 110 and how many ones? It's one, to make 18, we have 110, 5, so 15, 16, 17, 18. So what 2 coins could we use? Or what 2 different coins we need to make 18? Who can see? Bree, can you see what it is? To make 18, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what is this? What's this? What coin is this? What's a 5 coin? A nickel. Good job. A nickel and how many pennies? How many pennies, guys? No.
1.
Yes, good job, Bree. So 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. And we start from greatest, right? So now you need your nickel. So watch Mrs. Ackerman. It is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. We are missing the 8 cents, right? 18 equals 10 plus 8. Almost done, kiddos. Is everybody caught up? We only have 2 more problems. Now we have 12. 110, 2 ones equals 110 plus. What's the missing number? Watch Mrs. Ackerman. 110, 1 dime, 11, 12. What's the missing number? Finn, what is it?
2.
2. Lily, what coins are the only way we can get 2 cents? What do we need?
Which one?
2 pennies.
2 pennies. Yes.
Someone beat.
Good. So let's say it. 10, 11, 12. 12 equals 10 plus 2 ones. Okay, we only have one more. Ooh. 2 10s. 2 10s and 0 1s, 20. 2 10s and 0 1 equals 1 dime plus what? 10, but we want 20. So how many more do we need? Lily? Go ahead, Lils.
10.
10. So what 2 coins could that be? What 2 coins is that?
Dime.
One more dime. 2 dimes, 2 10s, 2 dimes would equal 20 cents. Good job. Now I wish you were here so I could offer you a prize for the next question I'm going to ask. So this is 20 cents, right? 10, 20. 20 cents. 20 equals 10 plus 10. Big question. What would be another way I could do that? How many nickels would I need? Say it with me. 5, 10, 15, and what else would I need? One more what? 5, 10, 15, what more?
20.
Another what?
1.
Nickel.
Nickel.
Right? Say it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, because 2 nickels equal 1 dime, right? Are you guys so sick of me and you want to go and get off? So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, tomorrow, cuties, we're going to do these 2 things. Our new matter poem. We're going to learn about the different states of matter. Okay, solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, and that is what we're going to do tomorrow for language arts. And then we will be doing some more. I will send a picture of what math we'll be doing. Okay, you can finish your frog reports today and send them to me. I would love to see them. And also write some more sentences about them. You know more than just their life cycle. Tell me that they're oviparous. Tell me that they're amphibians. Tell me what that means. Tell me what they eat. Tell me what color they are. Okay? Have a great day. Love you guys.
Bye. Bye.